Hello everyone! Divide the hair into two sections and then on the left side make a braid out of it and then do the same on the right side as well. Roll the braids upwards and tie a rubber band to them and then join them together and make a bun. Take a section of the top of the head and then make a braid out of it midway. Pull sections of the hair through the braid as such. Do this on either side and once you reach the base, begin to normally braid the hair as such. Roll the braid upwards and tie a rubber band. Take two sections from either side of the scalp, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself and pull the section through the top. Then take two more sections from either side, join it at the back, once more roll the section of the hair in on itself and pull it through the top. Repeat this step one more time and then at the base, make a normal braid, roll it upwards and fasten it in place. Take a section of the hair off the top of the scalp, tie a rubber band at the back. Add a rubber band to the middle of the section as well, lift it upwards and then add a hair stick to it. Make a small braid and then wrap it up the top. Tie a low ponytail and after this, tie another rubber band at the base. Roll the hair in on itself as such, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Take a section off the top, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Take two more sections from either side and do the same procedure two more times. Tie a low ponytail, tie a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself and then wrap it up into a bun. Tie a low ponytail, divide the hair into sections. Divide it into three sections and then braid each of these sections. After you have braided each of these sections, join them together and then roll them up into a bun together. Take two sections from either side and then knot the hair at the back. Now twist it ever so slightly, wrap the rest of the hair underneath it and tie it together. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back, tie a rubber band to it. Divide the bottom portion of the hair into two parts, braid one side of it and then braid the other as well. Wrap the braid upwards and pull it through the top section and fasten the ends in place. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back, tie a rubber band in the middle of the section, roll the hair in on itself and wrap it, bring it through the top. Tie a low ponytail and then once again add a rubber band at the base, roll it up into a bun, adjust it accordingly. Tie a low ponytail. After you have tied the ponytail, make a division through the center, roll the hair in on itself and then using your fingers, loosen either side of it as such. Then add a rubber band at the base, roll the section of the hair in on itself and tie it up in place. Now start off by twisting the hair into a bun as such. Add a decorative pin to make it stay in place. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Taking the right section, pull it through the left side and then make a braid out of the left side and then roll it upwards. Tie a ponytail and then tie a rubber band in the middle of this ponytail, roll the section of the hair in on itself. As for the rest of it, tie it and wrap it up around it. Tie a ponytail, divide the hair into two sections and then knot the hair as such. After you are done with this, tie it up tightly and then fasten the ends in place. You may use a rubber band or bobby pins in order to do so. Next, tie a low ponytail and then add a rubber band at the base. Roll the hair in on itself as such and then tie a bun out of it. Thank you for watching.